to whispers. Oh my God. Yeah. We move. Yes. A journey of a thousand miles starts with one step at a time. So yes, every victory needs to be celebrated, even no matter how small or big it is. Yes, this is a good one. Congratulations, step in the right direction. So, it is out. It is out. Yoruba peoples of Nigeria Memoranda for Yoruba Nation Independence. It is out. It's a 50-page PDF document, and then copies are being sent to everywhere that it needs to be sent to. So yes, Yoruba peoples of Nigeria, a memoranda for Yoruba land independence. So I just take some vital points from there, and yeah, because it's 50 pages. So yes, so it opened with a letter to address to the Queen, and there's also His Excellency Antonio Guterres, GCCGCL, the Secretary General of United Nations, and to Her Royal Majesty Queen Elizabeth II in the United Kingdom. And the letter says, as part of the memorandum, because I'm looking at it on the PDF one, read only. So it says, to all whom this letter shall come, greetings. Please find attached our formal request for convocation of memorandum and plebiscite for an independent Yoruba nation from the present Nigeria as constituted by the amalgamation of January 1974 by Sir Frederick Lugard. In view of the fact that prevailing circumstances during the amalgamation 106 years ago is no longer practicable, as presented in this memorandum, we seek the intervention of the international community to prevail on the federal government of Nigeria to facilitate discussions of our exit through a peaceful process of memorandum and plebiscite to be supervised by the United Nations and Yoruba Nation, consisting of Akoko, Akure, Awori, Ekiti, Eko, Egba, Egbado, Egbe, Egun, Ibadan, Ibarapa, Ife, Ijebu, Ijesha, Ikale, Ilaje, Ilorin, Igbomina, Ìṣẹ̀kírì, Ọ̀fà, Ògùn, Ondo, Onko, Ọ̀ṣun, Ọ̀wọ̀, Òwòrò, Owu, Ọ̀yọ́, and Remo. By this memorandum, we very much rely on the goodwill of all global bodies of the civilized world to achieve a peaceful exit free of aggression from Nigeria to enable an enduring friendly neighborliness after our independence. And it was signed, yours faithfully, for Yoruba peoples of Nigeria by the coordinators. Layo Adeniyi Global Coordinator, Kayode Emola, Europe, Dele Oguniyi, USA, Ibrahim Inolaji, Middle East, and Idowu Ogunshaki for Asia. So, the next one says, Memorandum to the United Nations Security Council through the Secretary General Antonio Guterres, and to the attention, okay, yeah. So, yeah, they're just stating their points, and to the attention of Her Majesty's government through the Prime Minister Boris Johnson and the British Parliament, request the exit from Republic of Nigeria Union constituted by Sir Frederick Lugard Amalgamation Document of 1914. As follow-up to the expiry of the 90 days notice given to the federal government of Nigeria by leaders of various ethnic indigenous nationalities alliance for self-determination by the Southwest, Southeast, South-South, and Middle Belt to constitute a committee on sovereign national conference to decide on the repeal of the 1999 Constitution or dissolve Nigeria's amalgamation of 1914, as stated in the communique December 18, 2020, which reads in part, being confronted by the clear and present danger of extermination in the hands of our supposed compatriots in the Union of Nigeria, we hereby declare a sovereignty dispute with the Federation of Nigeria as represented by the Federal Government of Nigeria on account of our repudiation and rejection of the imposed 1999 Constitution of Nigeria, whose authorship was fraudulently imputed on us. Furthermore, effective from today, 18th December 2020, we gave a 90-day notice to the government of the Federation of Nigeria, the Security Council of the United Nations, the government of the United States of America, the European Union, as well as all the international community of the intention of the peoples of the Alliance territories to reconsider our continued allegiance to the disputed 1999 Constitution, as well as the unitary union of death, attrition, and backwardness it forced on us. We demand that in the 90 days of this notice, the following specific actions must be taken by the federal government of Nigeria to firmly set in motion an irreversible process by which the aforementioned grave constitutional grievances would be addressed. A formal announcement by the federal government of Nigeria acknowledging the constitutional grievances and sovereignty disputes now declared by the peoples of South and Middle Belt of Nigeria. A formal commitment by the federal government of Nigeria to the wholesome decommissioning and scrapping of the 1999 Constitution. A formal announcement by the federal government of Nigeria suspending further general elections until the disputed 1999 Constitution. A formal initiation of a time-bound transitional process to endanger the emergence of fresh constitutional protocols by a two-stage process in which the constituent regional blocks will, at the first stage, distill and rectify their various constitutions by referendums and plebiscites, and in the second stage, negotiate the terms of federating afresh as may be dictated by the outcomes of the referendum and plebiscite. So yeah, so this was also forwarded with a title. It was addressed to the and there was a follow-up letter by the Yoruba Council of Elders, which was addressed to the Secretary General of United Nations and United Nations Office on Genocide Prevention and the Responsibility to Protect. This is in New York, USA, with the title Genocide and the Horizon, Call for Urgent United Nations Intervention in Nigeria. And this is said, we the peoples of Yoruba nationality, consisting of the following peoples: Akoko, Egu, Ilorin, Osun, Awori, Ibarapa, Ibumino, Owo, Ekiti, Ife, Ishekiri, Oworo, Eko, Ijebu, Ogun, Owu, Egba, Ijesha, Oke-Ogun, Oyo, Egbado, Ikale, Ondo, Remo, Egbe, Ilaje, Onko, otherwise referred to as Western Region of Nigeria in Sir Frederick Lugard Amalgamation Document of 1940 hereby indicate our collective decision to exit from the Union of Nigeria as constituted by Sir Frederick Lugard Amalgamation of Northern Protectorate and Southern Protectorate in one nation, named Nigeria on January 1st, 1914. So yeah, and they went ahead to see about our history before the 1914 amalgamation and after 1914 amalgamation, and they talk about Yoruba nation as western region of Nigeria. They talk about Yoruba nation under Nigeria's unitary system of government. So they talk about the land today, Yoruba land today, Yoruba land economy, people's welfare, insecurity in Nigeria, insecurity in Yoruba land, cultural differences, international relations, and they have a conclusion. So yeah, yeah. So then at the appendix they have all kinds of attachment for pictorial evidences. So yeah, oh my God, these are gruesome. Oh my word. And they have newspaper publications, and they included a copy of the Lord Frederick Lord Lugard's 1914 amalgamation. It's there. And so there you have it. It's more than that. You should have a read, though. It is good. Have a read. I mean, so yeah, get educated, educate yourself. I mean, things like this, there are things you need to know about. So make sure you have it. Make sure you have it. I am reading the read-only copy of it. I know they have printed copies, so you can ask. And so there you have it, guys. So yes, another victory. Memoranda for Yoruba independence is out there. So yes, the pen is mightier than the sword. There are more than 6 ways to skin a cat. All they know is violence. This is the 21st century. This is not back in 1960 something. No, this is the 21st century. We'll follow all protocols. All protocols will be observed. That so that we know that GJB aṣegbogbo tó yẹ ká ṣe, aṣegbogbo ìgbésẹ̀ tó yẹ ká gbé. Tọ́ba wá ní síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ náà orí àwọn burú lọ́rọ̀ àwọn wọ́n wá mọ̀ pé ẹnìkan ò jáwàdé, Ọlọ́run ló ń jèmí ni. So wọ́n mọ̀ pé àwọn nìkan kọ́ náà ń larùn mọ́, but I hope in a civilized, they'll be civil enough and do the needful. They will do the needful. So kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ. Ọgbọ́n jagbára lọ. Agbára làwọn ní. The pen is mightier than the sword. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wò máa lo sword. So that is it, guys. So well done to everyone that has been a part of this. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ lábẹ́lẹ̀, gbogbo àwọn tó wà nídìí orò tó rò fi ń ké, gbogbo àwọn òrù tó ń lù lábẹ́ omi. Ẹ ṣé o, òjò àgbìwà o, Yorùbá láǹtì yìí o, àwàsímúṣe. Ojú gbogbo wa ló tẹ̀ máa ṣe. So yes, tí wọ́n ní títa ríro làákọ́là. You see, so yes, so ìkọ́nà àwọn ẹ̀sùn wa gan sọ pé since láti ìpilẹ̀ṣẹ̀ báyìí ní the kingdom of God ló ti ń suffer violence taken it by force. So I hope pé kò ní tì yẹn, but tó bá jẹ́ pé bó ṣe fẹ́ wá náà nìyẹn, gbogbo nǹkan tó yẹ ká ṣe lábẹ́ òfin gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀mọ̀wé tó mọ̀wé tó kàwé yanrantí àti àṣà àti ìṣe òde òní, a máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ létòlétò. So tó bá wá jẹ́ pé ibi tó fẹ́ já sí náà nìyẹn tó ṣùgbọ́n gbédé pò ṣe kí bímọ rẹ̀ náà ní lógún òkè bímọ rẹ̀. So kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ẹ ṣáà ẹ jẹ́ ká ẹyẹ ọ̀rọ̀ lọ tán ká wá ẹ ṣáà jẹ́ ká gbájúmọ́ eléyìí tá à ń ṣe mú tán mọ́ pé bí eré eré làwọn máa yò ṣe. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Beko, Beni, Beko, Irini, Awadani, Irini, Awadan. Oh my dome. Your dome, Irila for my use. I don't like Kota. Mokota Mokope o. Ọ̀tá ń jẹ́ òpè kò gbọ́dọ̀ fọhùn. So until I come your way again, so the memorandum is out. It is out, so yes, it is out. It is out. Yoruba people of Nigeria, memorandum for Yoruba Nation independence. That is the name of the document. So there you have it, guys. Until I come your way again. Well done to everyone. Fair play to ya, as the Irish say. Fair play to ya. Well done. Well done. Every victory is victory, whether big or small. Every milestone needs to be appreciated and acknowledged. So well done, guys. Fair play to all. Fair play to all. Until I come your way again. Bye.